artists. Today, we're playing a fun game of shape guessing. I'll trace shapes one by one, and you try to guess what they are. Are you ready to dive into the shape adventure? Let's go! I'm drawing a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. It looks like a mountain or a slice of pizza. What is it? Did you guess the triangle? Yay, you're so smart! This next shape twinkles in the sky. It has 5 pointed tips. Can you tell what it is? A star? Yes, you're a star at guessing. Here's a shape with 8 sides. You've seen it on road signs. What's it called? Octagon? Fantastic guess! You're brilliant! Now, I'm making a shape that shows love and kindness. It's often red or pink. Can you guess what it is? A heart? Sweet work! You've got it! This shape has 6 sides, just like the cells in a beehive. What could it be? A hexagon? Buzztastic! You're so clever! Our last shape looks like a stretched out circle, kind of like an egg. Can you guess it? Oval? Wow, you nailed it! Great job, Pinky artists! Look at the amazing shapes we've traced. Now it's time to make it look colorful. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make them come alive with bright, happy colors. A triangle has 3 sides, and pyramids in Egypt are made using triangular shapes. Shapes are one of the first things babies notice and learn. Stars don't have points in real life. They just shine like little sparkles far away. We even use stars in art, stickers, and rewards. Stop signs are shaped like octagons. They have 8 sides. often seen on Valentine's Day cards and mean love. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Beehives are full of hexagon shapes to store honey and give bees space. Pineapples and snowflakes have shapes like hexagons. Eggs are nature's perfect ovals, keeping baby chicks cozy inside. Even if we're drawing other shapes today, circles help us create outlines for most drawings. All done! Look at those colorful shapes! We did an amazing job today. Remember, practicing your shapes is fun and helps your creativity grow. Thank you for drawing with me, and I can't wait to see you next time for another art adventure.